Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I am going to be doing some stuffed chicken breast, and it is going to be stuffed with goat cheese, spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, and a combination of other seasonings. And for this recipe, I have 3 pieces of chicken breast. Here I have salt, pepper, chicken seasoning, smoked paprika, and some dried parsley. And I also have some olive oil in the back. Let's get right into the recipe. First, I'm going in with the olive oil, followed by the mixture. Rub those seasonings all together. Now I have placed incisions already. I did this off camera. Be sure to allow the seasonings to get all into the chicken. So now we're gonna start with the stuffing while our chicken marinates. Just going in with some butter. Allow it to melt. Next, I'm going in with some fresh seasoning, which includes onion, garlic, some green onions as well, some diced peppers. I also have parsley chopped. Allow it to saute for about 2 minutes. And next I'm going in with some spinach. Next I have some sun-dried tomatoes. And that's the brand that I use. So this is all done. I'm going to start to remove it and place it to a side so it can cool. So guys, in here we have the seasonings that we allowed to saute and then cool off. Here I have Parmesan cheese, the rest of that seasoning from earlier, what we used on the chicken, some grated Parmesan cheese, and here I have goat cheese. So this is my first time using goat cheese in a stuffed chicken or stuffed fish recipe. So this is what I will be using. Now if you have cream cheese, you can use that instead. Now we're gonna start combining the ingredients. Followed by the Parmesan, the seasoning. I'm going to mix this together first, and then we're going in with that grated Parmesan cheese. And now we're just going in with the rest of that Parmesan cheese. Now we are going to assemble. See how nice this looks? Beautiful. Now I'm just going to stuff it. Now I do not want to overstuff. Just a little bit more over here. Nice. Okay, place it in the plate. Do the rest off camera, and I will be right back. Now in here I have olive oil. Also added some paprika with the oil. I see that beautiful color it gets. Beautiful sear. Nice. Okay, guys, see how it is looking. And I'm going to place it in the oven. The oven is set to 400. And I will update you guys and let you know how long it stayed in there. And I'll show you guys how it looks in the end. Chicken breast is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I do look forward to see you guys tuned in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.